so you have your new computer, you've logged it in, you've set it up, you've downloaded Google Chrome. You can now grab those files off your backup 2020 file and put them back or put them on your new machine. Now, there's several ways you can do this. You can just go ahead and leave all your files inside Google Drive and go grab them individually, or you can get the entire backup 2020 folder and drop it onto your new computer. Now, if it were up to me, what I do is I back up my computer every few months and I leave those folders and those files on Google Drive and go access them if I need them. It saves space on my current computer. It just makes things run a little smoother. But this is totally up to you how you want to manage that. You can, like I said, grab files individually, or you can grab the entire folder and put it onto your new computer. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do that first. So I'm going to go ahead and select my folder, turns highlighted blue. I'm going to select the three dots, the actions, and I'm going to go ahead and select download. Now, once I do that, notice the progress bar will appear and it'll say zipping file. And what this basically means is that it's compressing the file into a single item. Now, you will get this pop-up that says you're going to leave our Google browser. That's okay. So go ahead and select leave. And what that does, it starts the download. And notice it says backup 2020 zip. It's downloading. Now, mine has a 2 on it, but don't worry about that. All right. So once it's downloaded, it's going to be in your downloads folder. And I just moved it over to my desktop here. Now, when you double click a zip file, it will automatically uncompress and create a folder. And there is my folder. So now that I have my folder, I can double click it and I can see that all the items that I had backed up in the past are going to be in here. Now, if you just want individual files, you can open the folder. Let's say I only want one document. I can open the documents. Let's say I only want this score goal file. I can select it, hit the same three dots, and hit download. That will automatically download the document, put it in my downloads folder, and I can access it. I suggest that you use the method of just grabbing individual files, especially if it's if you have over 100 or over 200 different documents. Grab the ones you need, put them on your new computer so that you could have access to them there. Utilize the Google Drive for what it is. It's free space and a lot of space, a lot more than your computer can hold. So take advantage of that by using the files individually. Other than that, that is how you grab files off your backup folder from Google Drive onto your new computer.